Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to verify Roblox Age. Now, before I show you how to do it, subscribe to the channel. It helps me out a lot. So basically what you want to do is open up your Roblox app. Once you have opened up your Roblox app, go to the bottom right on More. Scroll down until you see Settings. So as you can see Settings here, tap on that. And then click on the first one, Account Info. Wait for it to load, and then what you want to do, once it's logged, once you are here, you just want to scroll down and you see verify my age. So you need to click verify my age. You will be completing an ID verification process operated by our third-party service provider. You also consent to collection, use and sharing of your biometric data as described in Roblox biometric privacy notice. So what you want to do is just click on verify my age. But if your account is not verified, first you need to do that, and after that is done, you will need to do an ID verification process to verify it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment,
It's pretty
subscribe.